Welcome to my channel. Today I will briefly be talking about my note-taking script that I've written. It's a shell script that I've uploaded to GitHub. I have been an avid note taker for a very long time, and in the past I've used plain text to record my notes, OneNote, Evernote, Joplin, just to name a few. But all of these solutions or all of these apps had some sort of a flaw, or not necessarily a flaw, but something that either I did not like about them or just they didn't fit my workflow. So about 6 months ago, I decided to build my own note-taking solution. It's a simple shell script. It uses Vim as its text editor, and the file format is markdown. So it's easy to use, it's easy to read, and if you would like to convert into something like PDF or HTML, it's also very easy to do with tools like Pendoc or something. And if you would like to know how to convert markdown to PDF, please leave a comment down below and I'll make a video for you. Alright, so how do you get started with this? If you go to the GitHub page, our link should be in the description down below, and click this code button. And if you use Git, you can copy this link and clone the repository, or you can just simply download the zip folder. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to use the zip file. So once you download it and extract the files, you'll see that there are just a couple of files. The main script is this mynote script, and then there is this install script as well. So this will actually install the script on your computer. It's a very simple, very short script. As you can see, it uses this file as its config. It's a config file. If you go to the config file, you'll notice a bunch of variables. Now this notes root variable tells the script that this is where the notes are saved. Now by default, it's in your home directory under my notes. Now for the most part, I think the default would be good enough for almost everyone. But if you would like to change it, you can do so here and then run the install script. However, if you change your mind, you can always go to this config file and then change it later on. The only thing is you'll have to move your notebooks around to the right location. Okay, now let's install the script. If you go to the extracted folder and then you can run sudo sh install. Okay, that's it, you're done. Now let's take a look at the structure of your notebooks. Okay, so by default, the script will create these 3 folders or notebooks. You can think of them as categories as well. Okay, now let's say if you want to open my notes, you can just simply type my notes and it will open up Vim into your default notebooks, my notes directory. And then you can just use Vim as you would normally use it. Or if you would like to open up a specific notebook, just type my notes, open to-dos. Now this file is something that I've just created in the past. Okay. Now let's say if you want to create a notebook or add a notebook, just simply type my notes, add notebook test. Let's just verify. And as you can see, the test directory has been created. Okay. Now let's add a note. So my notes, add note to say to test first note. Okay, so what it does is that it creates the note, adds the extension as well, so .md is for markdown, adds a title and a timestamp. Now there's one thing that I've noticed is that it also adds the parent folder, so it basically takes the whole path as the file name, sorry, the notebook title. It's something that I will change. It's a bug. It should only take the name of the note. But anyway, I'll take a note of that and I'll change it. Now say if you want to add a journal entry, simply type my notes, add journal. This is my first journal entry. Okay, so again, it creates the file. Now with the file, it also adds the timestamp, which is something that I personally like. So if I want to go to my notes or go to my journal, sort it by date. Now, if you don't like the timestamp, you can always go and change it in the config file. So again, it creates the file, adds the title and the timestamp as well. Okay, so you can just simply just testing, save it, and you're done. If you have any suggestions for this script, please leave a comment down below. Please like this video if you find it useful, and please subscribe.